Hello. Hello everyone, welcome to the AgriAddict Academy. Can anyone please confirm whether the video is clear and the voice is clear or not? If you can please confirm, please let me know. It would be of great help. If anyone is there, please let me know whether the voice is clear and the video is coming all right. So I think hello. Is my audio clear and the video is coming okay? Is it fine? Please let me know so that we can start. Yes, both are fine. Very nice. Thank you so much. So hello everyone, welcome to another video of AgriAddict Academy, another live of AgriAddict Academy. So as we all know, yesterday the answer key has come after a long wait. After a long wait of more than 1 month, NTA has finally given the provisional answer key. And like always, you know, there are some questions that are questionable and you have to challenge those questions. So AgriAddict Academy is there for you to give you all the authentic sources and which we think should be challenged. The questions that will be shown here will be challenged on behalf of the academy as well. If you want to do the challenge, you are welcome. There is no problem also. You can do as many as you want, and more the number of challenge, the more pressure it is on the examiner also. So we will provide the sources also. The PDF of the source will also be given to you if you want that. Yes, hello Vipin, how are you? If you want that PDF, then you have to just fill a Google form that is given in the description. So we will send you the PDF also, and we will tell you the source also. I think all of you have the books. You can get your own photograph as well, not a problem. So moving on. So we will discuss some questions which are questionable. We will discuss some questions which we think may be correct, may be wrong, somewhat. So according to the feedback of the students, this question 3263, this also has been marked by some students as which of the following reagents is used to remove organic matter from soil during mechanical analysis. The answer that is given by NTA is 6% H2O2. Many of our students are telling that it should be 30% H2O2, but the given answer is correct in a way, because if you are doing mechanical analysis using hydrometer method, then 6% H2O2 is the answer. 30% H2O2 is used for clay separation. When you are doing clay separation, for that you have to separate each and every single clay particles. उसमें जो organic matter remove होता है, उसके लिए हमें जो reagent use करना होता है, that should be 30%. But in case of mechanical analysis, we think 6% is correct. If you have any authentic source anywhere जहाँ पे ऐसे बोल रहा है कि mechanical analysis के तहत 6% use हो रहा है, then you can definitely challenge, but I don't think it is there anywhere. You might find कि in 30% हो रहा है in case of mechanical analysis. If you find that, you can challenge, but I don't think you can find that easily. Maybe in the depth of international pipette method कहीं पे मिल सकता है, but other than that, no. So this question we are not challenging, we are rejecting it. Still, if anyone wants to give any authentic source, we are ready to receive the suggestions. You can send us and we will consider. जब तक date है तब तक. And this one also, which one is not a species complex of the genus Oryza? This question also, some confusion is happening between the students. For this also, the given answer is correct. It will be Nivarana complex. All right. This has been checked from multiple sources. We have checked it and we don't think in this it should be challenged. और अगर challenge भी किया तो इसमें marks आने का संभावना है. So it also should not be challenged, right? Then moving on. Concept of root interception theory is propounded by, I can already see one comment by Vipin Yadav, root interception was given by Barber, but in answer key was given Jenny and Overstreet. No, concept of root interception theory is propounded by definitely Jenny and Overstreet. आपके पास अगर ISSS है उसको खोल के देख लीजिए. I have the ISSS PDF with me. In that I will मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ. If you root interception term was given by Barber, exactly. If you open the mineral nutrition chapter, usme it is written the root interception term. The term was given by Barber, but the concept of root interception or the concept of contact exchange or the concept of cation exchange in case of root and colloid, the answer will be Jenny and Overstreet only. So the given answer is definitely correct. All right. So this question also, we don't think it should be challenged. Now moving on. So question ID 3293, this also, you can see the assertion is direct dry sieving of soils in the field is used to evaluate the distribution of aggregation, and reason is dry sieving of aggregate gives an important index for characterizing susceptibility of soils to wind erosion, and the given answer here is 2. So definitely this इसमें किसका confusion आ रहा है, I don't know, but definitely the answer is correct. What is wrong here? Direct dry sieving of soil in the field is used to evaluate the distribution and aggregation. This is unrelated with the reason statement. Dry sieving of aggregate gives an important characterization index of characterizing susceptibility to wind erosion. This we know. Dry sieving is characterizing wind erosion. Wet sieving is characterizing water erosion. Simple. And the assertion is direct dry sieving is evaluate the distribution and aggregation. Right? So here option 2 is okay. We cannot actually challenge it with any authentic source, or we cannot show anything in our favor. So for this also we have to go on with this. All right, moving on. Question ID 3255. The highest contributor to the greenhouse gas emission in Indian agriculture sector. This question has done lots of confusion among many students. बहुत लोगों ने इसको पूछा है. But the given answer is enteric fermentation, and it is definitely enteric fermentation. आप लोग कहाँ से क्या डेटा देखे हो? It is incorrect. Many people are saying agriculture sector है तो residue burning होगा. It is not at all residue burning. Residue burning से the major pollutant is carbon dioxide. Highest contributor to greenhouse gas emission, methane, nitrous oxide, सारा कुछ मिला के methane. Enteric fermentation releases lots and lots of methane. सब कुछ होने के बाद भी, इंडियन कंडीशन होने के बाद भी, रेसिड्यू बर्निंग होने के बाद भी, this only accounts for 3 to 4% of the total, whereas enteric fermentation is almost 50%. For this also the given answer is correct. In this I don't think you have any point or anything to challenge for this, because कोई इसमें मतलब नहीं है, right? Now comes the interesting part, which you should challenge. You should definitely challenge these questions, and we are also challenging it on the behalf of AgriAddict Academy. But if you want to challenge, it is definitely up to you. You can do that. So the question is, soil humus, the complex array of substances left after extensive chemical and biology of fresh plant and animal remains, makes up -% of the total organic matter in soils. The answer given by NTA is 3, that is 60 to 70%, which is wrong. This question answer is definitely wrong, and the correct answer will definitely be option 4, right? अब आप पूछ सकते हैं कि इसका source क्या है? For this, we will give you the source as well. Here you can see the answer is wrong. It should be 80 to 90%, because here you can see the two source, the two Bibles of our soil science studies. In the fundamentals of soil science, here in the page number 568 of the green ISSS, the old one, the 2009 edition. 2009 edition का textbook अगर आपके पास है, even if it is PDF, does not matter. In that, you can just take this part out in page number 568. Please remember that. Here you can see SOM generally refers to non-humic substances which constitute 10 to 15% of total organic material, and the humic substances comprise the largest fraction, that is 85 to 90%. Fundamentals of soil science is a core textbook of soil science, और अगर आप इसको challenge करते हो with this source, I think there is a very huge chance this answer will be changed. And इसके साथ we have a second source also, T.D. Vishwas and S.K. Mukherjee. This is also a core textbook of soil science. ISSS के पहले सब लोग इसी को ही पढ़ते थे. इसमें भी here you can see it is clearly written 85 to 90%, right? आपके पास अगर टी डी विश्वास है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, अगर नहीं है you can contact in this number in AgriAddict Academy, they will give you the source. Do not worry. Fine, this question is challengeable. Coming to the next. This question, I think it is almost 100% sure the answer will be changed, but you can never say NTA के दिमाग में क्या है, ICAR के दिमाग में क्या है, you never know. So the major composition of saltpeter or Chilean salt, whenever Chilean salt has been written, the answer will be sodium nitrate, NaNO3. The term Chilean यहाँ पे mention हुआ तो NaNO3 is the answer. If this was not there, then KNNO3 was the answer, which is given by NTA. लेकिन Chilean salt दिया है तो it would be sodium nitrate only. Indian saltpeter or normal saltpeter, that is potassium nitrate. ठीक है, लेकिन the answer here in this case will definitely be sodium nitrate, और इसका source the nitrogen chapter of again old ISSS, the 2009 edition. Yes, in the 2009 edition, here in nitrogen chapter you can see it is also found in Chile saltpeter, NaNO3. It is clearly written. This same thing you can find in the potassium chapter as well. And हम ISSS के बाहर, soil science के बाहर अगर NCERT में भी जाएंगे, in the NCERT textbook also, in the P block elements chemistry textbook, if you remember, you all have read it and come here. Here also you can see NaNO3 is also called Chile saltpeter. The Chilean saltpeter is NaNO3, that is sodium nitrate. So this question is definitely, you will be getting marks if you are challenging. We will be challenging it on the behalf of the academy. However, if you want, you can also do that, no problem. So P block elements के अंदर in the NCERT textbook, this is there. If you want the source, just fill out the Google form given in the description and we will provide it to you. All right. Now coming to the next question, India is home to 18% of the world's human population and 15% population with only 2% of the world's geographical area. Statement 1. Statement 2 is Indian soils are mostly deficient in nitrogen but high in both phosphorus and potassium. The answer given by NTA is 3. They are telling statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. This we feel is totally wrong. All right. So the correct answer of this question will be, answer given is wrong. Statement 1 is definitely wrong. We have proper source for this. Textbook in geography, NCERT class 9 chapter 1. Here you can see it is written, the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, which is about 2.5% of total geographical area of the world. All right. So this question also you can challenge it with these sources. Now moving on to the next question. This question also we feel it is wrong if you are thinking about it. So the percentage of calcium content in limestone, the answer given by NTA is 32.3, which is not correct. You can check it in any sources. You can use any AI, any pro AI, kuch bhi, ChatGPT, Gemini. Everywhere you will find it is very near to 40%. The closest answer to this will be 39.7%. How? For this, we cannot give the source of Gemini or ChatGPT as usual. For that, we have to give the source of, again, our ISSS, the secondary nutrients chapter, the 2009 edition, the green ISSS. In that secondary nutrients chapter, here in this table, you can see the CaO content here. It is 56. The CaO content here is 56, and from CaO, if you have to find it out, where is it gone? If you have to find out the Ca percentage from CaO, Ca is equal to CaO into 0.714, which will come very near to 39.98%, right? So this value has been taken from exactly from Fundamentals of Soil Science, the old ISSS. In that you can see this 56%, when it is converted to calcium, it will come around 40%, and it is not exactly 32.3. This is not correct, right? So you can challenge this with the source of this, and also you can put the conversion there. That I will talk about in the last, how to challenge. If you at all want to challenge, I will tell you how to challenge. So in this question also, the primary standards used in chemical analysis should have the following properties. Yeah, we were just reading this in the previous ASRB and PhD class just few hours back. So it must be chemically pure, and its purity level should be less than 0.01, 0.02%. It must be stable upon keeping and storage. Its gram equivalent should be sufficiently large. The reaction with a standard solution should be stoichiometric or on equivalence basis. All right. This is a nice question, I must say. Here, this part is the problematic. If you see in the definition of primary standard, this one has been taken from the soil analysis by Indian Society of Soil Science. You can see its impurity level should be less than 0.01 to 0.02%. Here it is written its purity level should be less than 0.01 to 0.02%. Purity level ऐसा है तो this statement is definitely wrong, because it is the impurity level. Purity level should be around 99.9%. So this word written here is purity level, and here you can see it is the impurity level, which should be less than 0.01 and 0.02%, right? So in this case, statement A is definitely wrong, and the correct answer will be B, C, D and D only. All right. Again, in this, I would like to highlight how important is the soil analysis. If you are having any trouble with it, I would recommend you joining AgriAddict Academy. Here we deal that in great detail, and you can read all these principles and all these things in great detail. See, here in this book, in the soil analysis, given soil analysis by ISSS, I have the book myself here. You can see the source has been taken from this book only, and this book is like the epitome of the soil analysis and the soil analytical chemistry. All right. So this question is definitely you are getting marks. If you want to challenge that, definitely this is a challengeable question. All right. So अभी तक तो इतना ही था which we have thought. There is another question which I want to give it personally, जो यहाँ पे mention नहीं है, that is क्वेश्चन आईडी 3295. आपके पास अगर रेस्पॉन्स शीट खुला हुआ है तो यू कैन सी इन दैट, यू कैन सी इट इज रिटन व्हिच सॉइल टाइप कंटेन्स हाई पोटेशियम. व्हिच सॉइल टाइप contains high potassium. In that they have given the answer as illite. NTA have given the answer as illite, but many of the students are asking why it is not muscovite. So according to me, the interpretation of this question differs actually. The soil type अगर आप देखोगे तो ये question गलत है, क्योंकि illite and muscovite these are not soil types. ये तो पहली बात है. Soil type ये दोनों है ही नहीं. These are clay minerals. अब एग्जामिनर ने क्या सोच के बनाया होगा? व्हाट इज द इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द एग्जामिनर? उन्होंने सोचा होगा कि कौन सा सॉइल टाइप में ये क्ले मिनरल मिलता है, उस हिसाब से ही माइट हैव गिवन द आंसर. बिकॉज वी नो इंडियन सॉइल, मोस्टली जो एलुवियल सॉइल है, दोज आर रिच इन इनलाइट. तो जनरली द सॉइल्स रिच इन इनलाइट दे हैव अ हाई अमाउंट ऑफ पोटेशियम. तो वहां पे जो प्लांट होता है उनको डिसेंट लेवल पोटेशियम मिल जाता है एंड इट इज ओके. But illite and muscovite both are not soil types. In that case you can argue कि मस्कोवाइट के अंदर तो ज्यादा पोटेशियम है. मस्कोवाइट का अगर हम पोटेशियम परसेंटेज देखेंगे तो it is around 10%, almost 10%, whereas illite में only 4 to 6% है. If you open the mica weathering part in new ISSS, न्यू ISSS का जो पोटेशियम एंड फास्फोरस चैप्टर है उसमें जो माइका वेदरिंग है, इन दैट यू कैन सी इट क्लियरली मस्कोवाइट में ज्यादा पोटेशियम है. लेकिन हमें ऐसा कोई सॉइल पता नहीं है जिसमें देयर इज अ अबंडेंस ऑफ मस्कोवाइट और जिसमें प्लांट को पोटेशियम मिले. सो द एग्जामिनर माइट हैव थॉट सॉइल टाइप उसमें कौन सा मिनरल रहता है, उसमें से पोटेशियम कहां पे ज्यादा मिलता है, उस हिसाब से दे माइट हैव गिवन इलाइट एज द आंसर. And the interpretation of our students who have done, they are telling it as muscovite. So in that case, I would suggest there is less chance that this will be changed, but still if you have done muscovite, you can definitely challenge that with the same source which I told. न्यू ISSS का पोटेशियम एंड फास्फोरस चैप्टर में जाना, वहां पे माइका वेदरिंग का बढ़िया फिगर ड्रॉ हुआ है, वो पूरा फोटो का, वो पूरा पेज का फोटो लेना, उसको सोर्स में रखना, it will be very nice. And I think there might be a faint chance. Examiner generally do not listen to these logics, but you know, kya harz hai to try. Anyhow, this will not be challenged by the academy. So if anyone is facing this exact problem, you can do. We told that. Otherwise, these questions will be definitely challenged by us. And if you would like, you can do the challenge also. If you want the sources, you can just fill the Google form in the link. And how to do the challenge, if you want to know, you can see a video that has been uploaded by Hari sir. It is written clearly. How to prepare the sources, that I can tell you. You can upload only one PDF. You can upload only one PDF. In that PDF, you have to compile all your sources. पहले एक word file बनाओ. उस word file में clearly यहाँ पे हर पेज के शुरू में question ID mention होना चाहिए. The question ID should be clearly mentioned in bold. ठीक है. उसके बाद you have to write what is the correct option ID that you want. वो लिखना है कि given answer something है, correct answer which you feel ऐसा है. उसके बाद you make a table like this. Then here you should give the source whatever it is. And always remember, if you are giving the source of the page of a book, in that पूरा book का पूरा page का photo आना चाहिए. Do not take a screenshot like this or take a photo of this part, because उसमें पता नहीं चलता. Until and unless you are putting your argument with a textbook, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो textbook में देखना, पूरा पेज का जब आप दोगे तो ऊपर में यहाँ पे textbook का नाम लिखा रहता है. That is very important. And अगर हो सके तो you should give, even if it does not matter, you should give the front page of the book here and then the page where your query is listed in like that, because examiner को पता चलना चाहिए तुम कौन सा किताब से दे रहे हो. That is very important. All right. So always remember, full photo of the page. उस पेज में तुम हाईलाइट कर सकते हो जहां पे आंसर लिखा हुआ है. You can highlight that, but सिर्फ उसी पार्ट का फोटो उठा के मत दो. ठीक है. This is the first thing. And second thing is, if the book is available with you और कहीं पे है, तो always try to give the first page of the book, जिसे देख के एग्जामिनर को पता चले. Until and unless it is a reputed textbook, there is very less chance they will care for your answer. वो लोग देखते भी नहीं है, ऐसे फेंक देते हैं. Majorly they do that only. So your challenge will be only considered when you are giving authentic source, जिसमें first page होना चाहिए, and that is also there. All right. I think that is enough. That brings us to our first time in the history of ICAR exam. On the behalf of our academy, there is a rank predictor that has been developed, and this is not like any simple Google form that you might be getting elsewhere. Google form में डाल के there are so many fake entries, उसमें कुछ पता नहीं चलता. This is a live rank predictor software जहाँ पे the team is working day and night to remove the fake entries, and there is a high chance you will be getting very close, almost 80 to 90% similar rank which you will be getting in this rank predictor of your original rank. Do not get afraid. Your identity will be totally confidential. बाकी लोगों को कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. Even we cannot see that. We can only see the state from which you belong, what is your category and what is your score. That's all. Not your application number, not your name, nothing will be shown. No one will know what is your marks, who are you, nothing like that. You can just fill this form and you can just get the rank prediction, I think, which will be very, very near to the original rank that you will be getting. Because in this, the team is working day and night to remove all the fake entries, and there is minimum fake entries, and I think in another 1 or 2 days, all the fake entries will be removed. For that, you have to provide your application number, और एप्लीकेशन नंबर से हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते. डोंट गेट अफ्रेड, वी कैनॉट एक्सेस एनीथिंग ऑफ योर डेटा अंटिल एंड अनलेस यू आर गिविंग द पासवर्ड. और वो जो एप्लीकेशन नंबर है वो किसी को नहीं दिखेगा, ओनली द एडमिन टीम हियर, बाकी नो वन, इवन आई कैनॉट सी दैट. ऑलराइट, सो डायरेक्टली गो टू द रैंक प्रेडिक्शन लिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑफ दिस वीडियो. वहां पे जाइए, अपना रैंक को प्रेडिक्ट कीजिए, एंड यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग लाइकवाइज फॉर द काउंसलिंग. कौन सा कॉलेज मिल सकता है, क्या मिल सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, what should be the outcome. All right, I know this is a very anxious time, so make very good use of this rank prediction tool and you get to know कौन सा कॉलेज आपको मिल सकता है. उस हिसाब से अपना तैयारी करिए, सब करिए. अदर देन दैट, आई थिंक ओरिजिनल रैंक कार्ड एंड ओरिजिनल काउंसलिंग होने में अभी भी थोड़ा सा वक्त तो लगेगा, सो उसके पहले इट विल बी बेटर इफ यू कैन. So sir, my score is 279. Is this a decent score for seat allotment? Not this year, Vipin, I am sorry to say. सीट शायद मिल जाएगा, लेकिन द यूनिवर्सिटी विल बी वेरी बैड. सर 197 EWS GPB PhD कोई कॉलेज मिलेगा क्या? फॉर दिस यू हैव टू कमेंट ऑन द GPB वीडियोस. GPB के मेंटर्स आपको बता सकते हैं. आई कैन नॉट टेल यू एक्चुअली, आई डू नॉट हैव मच आइडिया. यू कैन आस्क हरी सर डायरेक्टली, और यू कैन ऑलवेज ask in this helpline number, in this WhatsApp number. You can text there, you can call there, whatever you want. All right, so these are the questions that we feel should be challenged, and we will be challenging it on the behalf of the academy as well. And तब तक के लिए आप लोगों को भी अगर चैलेंज करना है तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. If you want the source PDF, you just fill out the Google form link given in the description. The source PDF will be given to you. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट उसको डायरेक्टली अपलोड मत कीजिए, उसको अपने हिसाब से ठीक कीजिए. मेक दैट वेरी नाइस वे, मेक इट वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल, सो दैट व्हेन द एग्जामिनर एक्चुअली ओपन्स योर सोर्स, ही विल गेट एक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड विल कंसिडर योर चैलेंज सीरियसली. एनी हाउ, आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. आई होप आपका जो मार्क्स आ रहा है, इसमें हम लोग जो दिखा है उसमें से सारा आंसर अगर चेंज हो रहा है तो देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंस ऑफ एटलीस्ट 20-24 मार्क्स. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ ह्यूज थिंग. So don't get disheartened. आपको अगर इसमें से कुछ गलत हुआ है तो there is a chance that will be corrected. Don't worry. और अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो still also you don't get disheartened. And all right, I will see you in the next class. We will meet again. Thank you.